Here's a Google Pixel 5a. I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes, okay? Very, very simple. Now, the first thing I want to mention, it doesn't matter where the QR code is. It could be on your phone, it could be on your computer, it could be on your hat, it could be on your shirt, a business card. It does not matter where the QR code is, okay? So with your Pixel 5a, first thing is go ahead and open up your camera. And then make sure you're on camera, okay? And then go ahead and find a QR code. I just randomly searched for this on Google on my phone. So let's see what this QR code takes us to. Go ahead and put the phone like that. We're going to press and hold just like that. And let's see, this one here takes us to some website here. Let's click on that. And let's see where this directs us to this right here, okay? Let's try a different code here. Let's try, how about this big one right here? Let's see where this one takes us. We're going to open up camera. It's under camera, and now let me go ahead and put my Pixel 5 there, press and hold, and this is taking us to, looks like another website. Let's see where this takes us to. Okay, well, this campaign has been disabled for some reason. Anyway, you guys got the message. Now the thing is, if you're pressing and holding and you're not getting this, what you want to do is this. You want to go ahead to your settings, okay? So open up your camera. Go to camera, and then from here there's a little down arrow. Tap on the down arrow, and then you want to tap on the settings, the gear icon right there. Let's tap on that, and you have to make sure the Google Lens is toggled on, okay? It says here, point your camera to translate text, scan QR codes, and more, okay? Pretty simple. Questions or issues, just comment below. Good luck.